We've got more recipes with love from Mom, and today, what are we doing?
We're making rice pudding.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing this inside because it's pouring outside. We've got more recipes with love from Mom, and today, what are we doing?
We're making rice pudding, and this is one of Gil's favorites growing up. And as he became an adult, he asked for the recipe, and I said, just buy a box of minute rice, and the recipe is on there. And he just could not believe that. Don't tell me that. I thought it was a secret recipe. So it is coming right off the side of the box.
And I'll tell you, I tried it, and I tried it out on the grill, and I didn't use minute rice, and I improvised, and I made glue. So let's get started.
Okay, so the ingredients in this is minute rice, sugar, salt, nutmeg, vanilla, and milk. And we'll cook it on the stove for a while, and then we'll add egg yolk and milk at the end and sprinkle it all with cinnamon. Okay, I'm doubling this recipe, so I'm adding 1 1/3 cup of rice, 1/2 cup of sugar, and we're gonna put a 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 teaspoon, I'm sorry, oh my God, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, and 5 cups of milk. Now, like I said, I'm doubling this recipe. It should serve 8 people.
And it's whole milk, right?
It's whole milk, yes. Tablespoon of butter. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to take this pot now and put it on the stove, and we're going to simmer it for 20 minutes. Okay, I have been stirring, not constantly. You don't have to stir constantly. Just make sure you keep an eye on it and stir it so it doesn't stick. But it's about halfway finished now. We simmer it for 20 minutes. Do not boil, simmer it, and then just stir it. Okay, we're almost there now. What I have to do is mix 2 egg yolks and 4 tablespoons of milk together. Okay, I've mixed the egg yolk and milk together. Now this is important that you stir quickly, pour it in slowly, or the egg will cook. The egg yolk will cook. So you just want to get it in there and stir it. It comes off the heat now, and we'll just pour it in an 8 by 8. This is finished, and we're going to bring it over here and pour it into the baking dish. Okay. Hopefully I can do this without splattering it everywhere. And it's very loose right now, but when it chills, when we get it in the refrigerator, it will harden up some. And I'm sorry, you're getting the back end of the pot here. Now for the cinnamon, we're just going to sprinkle a lot on there. Just put as much as you want on it. And then this goes in the refrigerator till it cools. Probably tomorrow morning.
Swabby, don't mix it all up. We don't want to get the cinnamon on
The spoon just fell in.
Mix it all up. We don't want to get the cinnamon
The
on
spoon just fell in.
All right, this has been in overnight. We're gonna go ahead and serve some up in a little bowl here and give it a try.
It's going to be so good.
And ice cold, it's really good too.
Okay, now is the taste test. Okay, Gil, you go in first.
Oh, that's very kind. All right.
Me also.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good. That's
Small,
good.
small spoon, that's terrible.
We're using baby spoons. Makes the mouthful look bigger.
Okay, going in for more. I'm taking all his cinnamon, by the way.
I love the cinnamon on top of it. That's good.
You have to try this. Minute Rice box has the recipe on it.
I've never seen the recipe on a minute. Well, I don't usually use minute rice.
Well, I copied it off many years ago. I hope it's still on the box. If not, Google
It
it.
had to be many years ago. I remember having this as a kid all the time.
Yes, I made
All
it
the
all
time.
the time.
All right. Safe and happy cooking, not really grilling in this case. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
You gonna stand there creepy in the background? Huh? All right, you want to hold it and say what you're gonna say?
You can have the big spoon. I have a tiny one.
Well, I have a tiny spoons for eating.
Okay.
That you're gonna eat with that giant thing?
Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back there.
Oh, good. You're still here. Hey, check out this one right here. This is all of our PitBoss Pellet Series smoking videos, and down here, all of the Blackstone ones. Hope you enjoy them.